Hello and welcome. My name is Kalyan Verma. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter list for your website or weblog. Twitter lists are similar to YouTube playlists, where you can create a playlist of your favorite videos and then embed the playlist code into a website or weblog. And when you update the playlist in YouTube, the embedded code in your website automatically gets updated. And Twitter lists, you can create a group of Twitter accounts. You need not be following those accounts, but you can still have them in the group. Let's see how we can do it from scratch. Go to twitter.com, sign in with your username and password. Once logged in, you'll see an option for lists. Click on New List. Give a list name. In our case, it's called TechChrome. If you see, it's taking an extension of my username, that is Leonardo/TechChrome. I give it a description, and it's a public. There you go. We already have a list created. However, we don't have any accounts added to the list. So let's go to Find People. Let's find a famous technology blog, TechCrunch. And I can drop down the list and select the checkbox, which is TechChrome, which is the list which I just created. Now I'll search another famous tech blog, Mashable, and do the same thing. So I added 2 Twitter accounts to my TechChrome Twitter list. Now let's go to Home, and you'll see the list already created, and it's under Lists. And when I click on it, I'll see all the accounts and their feeds, tweets based on their account. I can edit or delete at any time on the top. I can edit the name, description, and also delete. Now let's see how we can create a widget and embed it into a blog. Go to the bottom of the Twitter page, click on Goodies, and click on Widgets. You'll have an option for a list widget. Click on My Website and click on List Widget. Once you're on List Widget, your list is already selected there because I have only one list. You can give it a title which will appear on the header of the widget. In our case, we'll just say Everything Tech, and we'll give it a caption, Twitter Feeds, or Twitter Feed. And we can also set preferences. In our case, I don't want a scroll bar to appear on the widget, so let's take it off. And I just need 10 tweets at a time, so I'll get it down to 10. Take off the timestamps and hashtags. Appearance, I can change the appearance. I'll match it with my blog to the color, desired color, and the text color I would change it to black. So you can do various settings here. And the dimensions, my sidebar takes 260 width, and I want it a little bit longer, so I'll keep it 400 and do a test. Finally, finish and grab code. Click in the box, right click, copy, go to your blog, log into your blog from the admin panel. Once you log into your blog's admin panel, under Appearance, drag and drop, click on the widget first and pick the text widget and drop it onto the sidebar. Now paste the code here, the one which you copied, and click Save. Now let's go do a preview of my blog and see whether the widget appeared. That's my blog. If you scroll down, there you go, we have our Twitter list widget there. Now if you see, I have only 2 blogs that listed there. Now let us go back to Twitter, go to Home, and add another Twitter account to the same list. So let's search for Engadget this time, and let's add it to the list. Once added, it's automatically going to update my Twitter list widget. Refresh my page, and now you should see Engadget listed there. There you go. So once embedded, you can maintain the lists. So using your Twitter account, that's as simple as that. So go ahead, create a Twitter list based on your categories, your interests, etc., etc. Thanks for watching.